good people? Traders, tap in, baby, tap in. We back at it. Show y'all a couple of these setups I got going. Okay, we on Euro USD. I'm on a 5 minute chart right now, but I'm gonna show y'all where I got my analysis from. So, okay, let me get my notes out so I can better inform you. Okay, Euro USD, get my bias together. Show y'all what the bias is. Alright, so on the weekly chart, if I go to the weekly chart, alright, I'm in a downtrend. I'm on weekly chart. Alright, so my bias is I'm taking sales. My nose, my hairs on my nose, man. I'm taking sales all on this chart right here. I'm looking for sales. Alright, go to my day chart. My day chart, I'm in a downtrend as well. So then I go to my hour chart, and so I'm gonna show you what I'm looking for price to do. Alright. Let me see if I can blow this. Alright, so if you see right here, let me blow this up for you real quick. Alright. So I'm looking for price since we on a downtrend. Alright, I got a fair value gap right here. No, I'm sorry, this is not even a fair value gap. I had a level right here, if you can see, then I got a level right here. So it's like two levels that's close together. So what I did was just mark the zone in between these levels. Alright, so since we are on a downtrend, I want price to come back up into this area right here that I got marked off, and then I should see the price start going down to make lower highs. So if you follow this, I'm expecting for it to come up here, which is I'm already getting a bullish candle right here. So once I get into this zone, somewhere up in this zone, I'll be looking for my sales. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it back. If it get up here today, I'm gonna take it back to around just below this low right here, and then I'm gonna get out right there. So that's one setup I'm looking for on the Euro USD. Hopefully I can get to that level today, get to that point. So I got a level here, and then back here I got a level on this fractal right here. So what I did, being that they so close together, I just marked out a zone right here. It's right where I got this blue box at right here. So this blue box is the zone. These white lines are the levels. Alright, so right now price is look like it's gonna go my way. I don't know though, but I started this I marked it up from right here, and this is the next candle up. So once it hit my zone, I'm looking for sales. Alright, now let's go to USD Swiss franc. Let's see. And I do got a bias for Swiss franc. Alright, so on the week time frame, we are in a downtrend. Yeah, a downtrend. So that tell you right there, your bias is the bias for today is sales, because the whole price itself is going down. And I know that because I have my EMAs, my exponential moving averages. I have a 200-day, a 50-day in the blue, and a 20-day moving average in my white. I also have a stochastic oscillator indicator at the bottom. We'll go over that on another video. Okay, so I'm on a week. I'm doing my top-down analysis. Now I'm going to the day. The day I got wrote down. It's good, you know what I'm saying? So I don't have to keep trying to remember, so I just write it down. So the day chart is actually, it's almost at a crossroads. So right now it is in, I would still say, I don't even know, man. See, my EMA is starting to come together right here. So price can go either direction. So I really these one of these trades you kind of wait till it play out before you kind of make a move. That's my day chart. So on the day I got it like on it's an unch, like it's almost like break even. Like I don't know which way it's gonna go. So then I go to my hour chart, and I got a trend line on this hour that being that my bias is I'm looking to hedge this. Now if it get below this white trend line right here, I got a trend line from here and it's starting to touch right up in here. Let's see if I can show y'all. Alright, so you see I started my trend line right here, and now I got a touch on my trend line and it's starting to push up. So I'm looking for a break below this trend line before maybe a closed candle. If I get a candle that closes below this trend line, then I'll be looking for sales, right? And I'll probably get out around this area right here, right at my previous low. So yeah, that's that. I really don't like to set up on AU, so I'm not even gonna show y'all that. But my bread and butter, I got a 50 to 1 ratio on this as well. So once it get in my zone, that's all you doing, people. Is you waiting for you set zones, you set levels, and then you wait for price to reach those levels and zones, and then you wait for a reaction, the reaction of the candlesticks that you're looking for. So my reaction for this would be okay. I'm gonna wait for it to get up in this area, and I'm waiting for. Now I'm looking for red candlesticks. I'm looking for bullish red candlesticks, along with some momentum pushing to the downside. So if I start getting that, I'm gonna get in up in this area, and I'm gonna ride that wave all the way down here, and I'm gonna get out. Yeah, so that's the setup I'm looking for today, people. Day traders, beginner traders, you know what I'm saying? We in this thing. Hey, tap in, baby. If you got any questions, some ideas, man, anything, feel free to get on the post. Tap in, you know what I'm saying? Voice your concerns. Hey, I learn from everybody. If I see something that y'all tell me something that I ain't doing, and I see some benefit from it, I'm gonna add that to my plan. I'm gonna add that to the sauce, baby. Yeah, but on another note, as y'all know, we had them new home sales came out last night. Let me pull this up for you, cause I know the numbers came in lower than expected, but the dollar is still holding strong. Oh no, it dropped. It dropped. It was at 106 today before I came out here. Now it's at 105. So the dollar is dropping. And when the dollar dropping, this pair that I'm on right now, I mean it's going up. So so uh so that means this if the dollar itself continues to drop, this will go up, probably hit my target, and then the dollar might start rising again, and this will start falling again. So that's what I'm looking for. Now let's go to these housing numbers. So let me read these housing numbers off to y'all. Hey, real estate, yeah, all my new real estate agents, tap in, baby, because we need to know this right here. This good news. This is news that we need to know about the market, the real estate market. All right, so let's get this popping. All right, so the numbers came in this morning at 10 o'clock, people. All right, new home sales. So the forecast, the number that they was expecting it to be was 636,000 new homes. The actual number that came in was 619,000 homes. Like I was saying in the other previous video, investors watch for this type of stuff because it's just a trickle down effect. If you got new home sales that's low, that means unemployment rate probably up. Like I said, inflation is up, so that's causing people not to buy as many homes. So real estate agents, keep that in mind. The numbers for new home sales came in lower. So that ain't looking good for all the listing agents, buyers agents. We trying to get this money, and this right here ain't looking good for us because it's giving us a clear indication that the economy is cooling off, and we need to be, wrap our heads around that. and stay mindful, and then you'll be able to know how to move. You'll know how to move because you got the information, not just out here willy nilly. Like, oh man, I ain't got no buyers, ain't nobody calling me, ain't nobody looking for no housing. You don't know why. You know what I'm saying? Be informed on why, the why. The numbers come out. You just got to go out here and look. They ain't gonna give them to you. Forex, forexfactory.com is where I get that. But like I said, beginner traders tap in. We're gonna keep you posted. Hey, if I get in this trade, I'm gonna be sure to capture this on the video and let all my traders and my people, my community know how I'm doing. Like I say, I'm a beginner trader myself. I'm learning every day. I'm learning something new, or I'm adding on to my strategy. You know what I'm saying, I'm just honing in my skills, and y'all should do the same. With that being said, peace out. Happy trading, good people. Peace.